Hello everyone, and welcome back to the steam rail workshop. I've done a little bit more work on the shaper. I've sharpened the tool that I'm using, and you can see it's doing quite a nice cut. Taking time about it, the step over rate is quite low, and the depth of cut is not very much, but yes, it's working nicely. Now I put some more oil into the shaper, where it flows to about 20 litres. And I'm now hearing the sound of oil splashing when the shaper is running. So maybe I've almost got the right amount of oil in there. And you can see the tool I'm using. It's got quite a wide radius on it, and it's looking good. Now I've just been checking the horizontal feed, and I've corrected it, and now the feeding is occurring on the back stroke, which is good, which is what it's supposed to be. So that is another problem corrected. Now, with the length of stroke that I've got set, I can't actually tell whether the ram is running faster on the forward or the backward stroke. So if the ram is running faster on the forward stroke, this is not good, and it means that one of the phases on the plug is set the wrong way. So I will try a little later with a longer length of stroke, and I'll see if I can confirm that problem. And if I can, I'll refer it to the steam rail electrician. So here we are. I've run the rounded edge cutter across a little bit of metal. The spots you can see in there is where something else has been welded to it. But overall, the surface finish is not too bad. It could be better. That was done at a low speed with a low crossfeed. You can also see where I've been trying to use slotting tools. I think they might be old parting off tools, and you can see the ugly result. So after lunch, I'm going to turn this block of metal over, clean it up on the other side, and then get the micrometer and see what sort of error we've got in parallelism. So that in itself will be quite interesting. Now, one of the interesting things about the steam rail workshop is they've got lots and lots of old tooling just sitting around. So I'm starting to work out how I can repurpose it on the metal shaper. I'd be interested in any suggestions there. Okay, here's some more old tooling. Most of it is raised high-speed steel, but the ones I'm using on the shaper so far seem to be doing their job reasonably well. Here we are, coming up towards the end with a very light stroke on the second side. I've done things a bit out of sequence, but I will turn the plate on the side, straighten up the edges, and then redo the back and front, and then measure it parallelism and actually see where we're at. Now, just before I go home, does anyone know what this funny little bolt on the device on the side of the table is? I'm a little bit stumped. I just don't know what it is. So I'd be interested in anyone's comments. And that's about it for now. So we'll be back next week.